So here's our Keepit platform. And first time logging in, you see no connectors have been configured. Let's just walk through the process of adding a Salesforce connector. So I'm going to click here, choose Add Connector, and this is going to prompt me to log in with my Salesforce credentials. So I'm just going to click Next and sign in. I'm then presented with the Salesforce login screen. We don't store these credentials. This is just a handshake with Salesforce so we can establish our connection. And then we go through here and boom, we're at our connector configuration screen. This is where we can decide how much of the API requests we're going to use at any given time so we don't consume all of the available API for a company because they could have other applications running against their Salesforce. We're also able to control who has access to the data and how long we're going to keep that data. And again, we offer unlimited storage, unlimited retention. Once we have everything configured the way we like, we just click Create, and there we go. This backup is now going to run and back up everything in the environment. And then every 12 hours after that, another backup will automatically run. So I'm just going to come back over here into my environment where I have a Salesforce backup that's already been running. Let you see what it looks like once it's backed up. I'll click here and go to my connector. We break out the three major data objects into groups. So we have attachments, files. This will be all the files that are added to Salesforce, and then the individual objects. All this data is going to be here, allowing users to be able to go back to any point in time via Snapshot Viewer and restore data from a point in time that they would like. One of our really good features that we have is the ability to compare snapshots. So we click this and we're then able to compare any Salesforce snapshot with another. So I'm just going to go back to here to this point in time and do a compare. And here we can see, and I'll just hide unchanged items quickly. Here we can see items that were added, items that were deleted, anything that was modified. So if I'm going to come in here to accounts and just so I can see that since these two snapshots, these accounts were added, this one was modified, this one was deleted. So we're giving this quick view into what's changed. And if necessary, I can go ahead and effect a restore from here. Very quick, very easy. I even have the ability to preview items as they live in the backup. All that with our other advantages with our platform, with full auditing and logging of all the actions that have been taken. We have our job monitor, our roles-based access control, our built-in security, all that native to the platform, and the ability to manage all these other workloads. So there you have it. Keepit for Salesforce. Quick, easy setup. Automatic daily backups. Smart search with our file viewer. The ability to seed sandbox, along with our fast data recovery because we're never using tier storage, and our full audit log and notifications. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you around.